Well, good morning, and it's Tuesday today. A little bit of more snow has fallen, but not a lot. Down here at the farm, just kind of about see the sun's coming up, and it's not too windy. It's probably about -4 or 5 degrees C, so a lot less harsh in terms of the wind chill at the moment. So we're just going to go and get on with everything. The boiler was fixed on Monday morning and it worked for a few hours and then it broke again. So we're back to just fire as the central heating at the moment. We've got a really good wood burner and it does kick out some heat, so very grateful for that. One of the first jobs in the morning is to get up in the hayloft and chuck off the small bales of hay that we're going to take up to the sheep, and we load them onto the truck and take them round. The sheep are getting extra feed because of the cold conditions, and we have noticed that actually the younger sheep, the new sheep, are eating up faster and more than the older ones. You can see how thick the ice is here, but actually as the week progresses, the ice gets thicker and thicker and the water less and less. A little bit of sunshine is good for everyone, including me. These are the small bale feeders that we use. I think they're about 50 years old, but they do the job, and that's what matters. Here you can see the snowdrift starting to form under the wall sides. They look fantastic, kind of like art forms. And what tends to happen is the snow blows off the fields and then collects in one place, as it's done here. Should we go and do these over here? I've noticed a few sheep are a little bit tender on their feet, whether it's the ones that we've recently treated for lameness, or it could just be that they've got ice between their hooves. Definitely the cold hard ground is quite unforgiving. And another small snowdrift in this gateway here as we go off to check the cows for their hay and their water too. The cows do drink quite a lot, so once the trough's empty and the water pipes are frozen, we have had our work cut out bringing water up to the troughs via churns. Here's Dad getting a snap of the beautiful snowy scenes for Facebook. We always appreciate our beautiful views. Tuesday, sun setting now, about 4:30, so the day is getting a little bit longer. It's been a cold one today, but it hasn't been quite as brisk in terms of the wind as yesterday, and so there's been a lot of sunshine and that has been wonderful. So feel like we can handle the cold if it continues like this. We'll just have to wait and see what's in store. I think there is more snow coming. Hello, it's Wednesday morning. The cool wind is definitely back. It's about -5 this morning. With the wind chill, it'll feel like a lot more. So the sun is just about to rise. We've got lots of containers of warm water because we're having a bit of an epic job defrosting all of the water troughs and keeping any water flowing and keeping the troughs going. The cold weather has brought some fantastic colours in the sky and some beautiful, peaceful mornings, which I have really appreciated. And this morning here, where it was bright and sunny, I did stand for a moment just up in the fields and thought, wow, this is incredible. I feel so lucky and so blessed to be here and to appreciate this moment.
Another lovely frosty morning, certainly cold and very, very frosty. One of the things I find this dry weather, even the sheep are drinking so much water. They sometimes hardly seem to drink any. And yesterday morning we broke the ice for the inland ewes, and by tea time, not much, mid-afternoon, they drunk down enough that they couldn't reach any more, they couldn't run it, so I've got it running with hot water, so hopefully they'll do today. But the cows on the moor are like wanting load of water today, so but it's lovely conditions for them. But they look, you know, cold and dry. They're fine as long as they've got plenty to eat. While this is continuing wet. So very bright this morning, enjoying the day.
This pond that the sheep drink from is located in a nice little corner where we've placed the feeders and the buckets, so it means that the sheep have got shelter and they're able to eat and drink without needing to travel around or waste any energy, and they do seem content here. Thirsty.
Bring you up, bring you out.
And here we are up on the moor where the breeding cows and calves live to check on their water situation. I think some of the best views on the whole of Dale Farm come from this point right here, looking over towards Chatsworth. So they've got bathtubs of water here, and we bring the water up in a big bowser. So it looks like today they've drunk up, so we'll be taking them some more water ASAP. And you can tell that they're ready for a drink because they're all waiting around this area. Normally they'd be up on the bank, up around the feeder, but they've collected around the troughs because they want to drink. Pure blue skies and beautiful bright sunshine and powdery, wonderful snow. So because the water situation's a bit desperate, we've decided we're going to let them into this field here. We'll shut that gate and then we're going to break this ice and they can use this water, and it just removes the immediate need to take the water up there because it is very cold, and Dad thinks that they could have difficulty getting the loader going. Now I'm going to get my wellies off and make a nice cup of coffee and get warm. Good morning and welcome to a very cold Thursday. So this trough is down at the farm and we can't get that running at all because the pipe work goes under the shed roof and that's all frozen. So at the moment our biggest sort of contender really is keeping all the water going, and sun's going to rise over there in 2 or 3 minutes. Being able to enjoy a sunrise up in the fields is a fine way to start the day, and I really don't mind the early mornings any time of year. When you get to see a sunrise, it's always worth it, even if it's 5 AM. condition?
Well, I've not got a temperature gauge, but it's mighty keen again. I mean, just by the thickness of the ice on the troughs. It's a, you know, lovely morning, but it's cold. Bitterly.
So the sheep have got new energy buckets, which they're getting straight stuck into, and we're just going to unload the hay now, have a bit of a tidy up around the ring feeder. Thirsty beasts. So I've just finished carting some buckets of warm water from the house over to the trough over in the field and where the pigs are, so they've got some water, and hopefully it won't refreeze throughout the day. We've been having an afternoon defrosting session. Dad's been getting all the troughs going in the afternoon as well. So the cold, it is stunning. It's very bearable, apart from my fingers, but it does just create that little bit of extra work and pressure. So that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please give the video a like if you have. It helps to support my channel, and I'll be bringing you some more Dale Farm activity very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.